What up, what up? I'm the math teacher Goat, and today in 5th grade math, we are talking about understanding percents. You look at your phone, you see that it's 70-some% charged, and you're like, what does that even mean? We'll talk about that today. Like this video, please subscribe to the channel, pretty please, and if you can, leave a comment, pretty please. Also, if you can, go to the description of this video. There's going to be a link to the notes. You can download them, print them if you're able to. It's nice to have it in front of you because I'm going to do a bunch of problems. You're going to do a bunch of problems too. All right. Okay. A percent tells us how many parts out of 100. Percent really honestly means out of 100. So we use this symbol right there to represent what a percent is. So we look at this grid of 100 squares, and out of those 100 squares we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 of those filled out. So 27 hundredths is filled out. Now, how do I represent that as a percent? 27%. So if you're looking at that and saying, all right, well, that's not really a whole lot. I mean, you know, if that was like a brownie or something like that and someone said you can have 27% of that brownie, you're not getting a whole lot of it. You're getting a little chunk of it, not that much. Okay, so this is us understanding percent. 27 out of 100 is okay, but not a lot. Now, percents can be written as a decimal. Look, I just wrote it out as a fraction. And the way we're supposed to read this as a fraction is 27 out of 100, or 27 hundredths. So the way we write this out as a decimal is 27 hundredths. Pretty simple stuff. All right, so let's shade in the percent and write each percent as a decimal. Gonna have to move my face up there. All right, let's get our little shading marker because that'll be a whole lot easier. All right, shade in the percent and write each percent as a decimal. So, oh, that's not that much. There we are. So I'm gonna have to shade in 1, 2. This is gonna take much longer than I'd hoped. So shading in 12% means I'm shading in 12 squares. So there's 10, 11, 12 shaded. Now that's 12 out of 100, 12 hundredths. So 12 hundredths written as a decimal is 12 hundredths, 0.12. We got 67%. Now I gotta shade that one. That's gonna take a little while, so let's shade. I mean, you may want to hit fast forward for this one. 10, 20, 30, 40. Hit the subscribe button. 50. Like this video. 60. Almost there. Almost there. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, and 67. Now, 67 out of 100 can be written as 67 hundredths. So 67 hundredths as a decimal looks like that. Now, comparing these two fractions, comparing these two percents. 12%, not a whole lot. 67%, a decent amount. So again, if we're looking at this as a brownie and someone said, you can have 12% of the brownie, you're like, that's barely anything. That's a couple nibbles. 67%, much more than half. So if you're looking at this, oh, if I were to cut that in half, 67% is more than half. Now, speaking of half, what is half as a percent? Well, half as a percent is 50%. 50%. Now, if half that pizza is 50%, what percent of the whole pizza is this shown? So, half of a pizza is going to look like that. We're taking half of a half. Ooh. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this by 2. I'm going to divide 50 divided by 2. 50 divided by 2 is 25%. 50% divided by 2 is 25%. So this is a quarter, okay? And a quarter is 25%. All right, we're putting the pieces a little bit together. Now what you're going to do is you're going to do the next on your own. And again, if you don't have this printed out, that's okay. Maybe you can't do this part and all you do is just keep watching. But if you do have this printed out, pause the video, do these, come back, check your answers. All right, welcome back. So let's shade 21%. So here's one row is going to be 10. 2 rows is going to be 20. So I have 20 shaded right there. And adding one more is going to be 21. So that's, I shaded 21 out of 100. 21 hundredths is 0.21. Now I have to shade 92 of them. Great, good job by me. 92 of them. Let's do green's my favorite color. So here's 10, 20. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, here's 30%. Here's going to be 40%. Here's 50%. 60%. 70%. Leave a comment. 80 is taken care of, so let's do this. Covering the 9th row will be 90%, 91, 92. So 92% is most of it, almost the whole thing. And that's 92 out of 100. So 92 100ths can be written out as 92 hundredths. 0.92. Now, which is more, 25% or 75%? Well, if I were to have this and that says 25 shaded out, this that says 75 and shaded out, 75 is going to be a whole lot more. Okay? Now, your phone is charged at 90%. Is that closer to being full or empty? Well, we just saw 92%. And 92% was basically almost the whole thing. If I were to take 2 little blocks from that, you're still going to get a huge chunk of it. So 90% is almost full. Not full, but almost full. All right? So there's 100 marbles in this jar. 30% of them are blue. How many are blue? I can move my face again so this isn't the ra, and this is the wrap up. So, how many are blue? Well, if 30%, that means 30 out of 100. Well, there's 100 in there. 30% of them are blue. That means 30 marbles are blue. That wasn't so bad. Percents aren't so bad. Everybody complains about them. And they're fine. They're fine. And so was your ability to watch my video. Please do like and subscribe even after that stupid comment. You can leave a comment making fun of what I just said. That would be fine. I'd accept it. I'll be okay. But that's it for this video. We're almost done 5th grade math, boys and girls. Until the next one, bye.